Hello everyone, and welcome to another one of our videos. Today I'm going to be showing you this Foxwell Wi-Fi endoscope, which I also refer to as a borescope. This device is used in the automotive industry to do things like check cylinders through a spark plug hole, check cam condition without pulling the valve cover through an oil filler hole, or to check for leaks in areas that you otherwise can't see, such as between an engine and a firewall. You can also use this around the house if you want to check behind a wall plate to see where your light switch's wires run, or if you want to check to see where some piping runs, for example, in your wall, you can do that with this as well. So there's many different uses for it. I'm going to give you some examples in this video, and I'm going to show you how it works, how to set it up, as well as what the video quality looks like. And again, like I said, I'm going to do a demonstration on my car. So with that, I'm going to pull this thing out of the box, show you what it comes with, and I'm going to get it all set up. Okay, so this is what the endoscope comes with. It comes with the scope itself, a charging cable, which you can charge using a USB phone charger or your computer, a little instruction pamphlet, and it also comes with some end attachments. It comes with a inspection mirror, a magnet, as well as a hook. And for a minute, I was a bit confused as to how these attach because it doesn't mention how to install them in the instruction manual, but it's pretty simple. You basically have a little ferrule that you unscrew on the end, and this is just the normal attachment. And from there, you can screw on any of these other ones. Super simple. Just get your thread started, which is easier said than done. And screw it into place. And like that, you have a endoscope or borescope with a hook attached. So if you were trying to retrieve something that you dropped behind a piece of furniture or something like that, you can do it using the hook. Or if it's metal, you could do it with a magnet. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and put the normal attachment back on, and I'm going to get it set up on my phone, give you a shot of my phone on the table, and show you how it's used on my car. Okay, so I'm about to set up the endoscope. After reading the instruction manual, that's pretty simple, and I test set it up just to make sure everything works. So in order to get it going, all you have to do is turn on the endoscope. You'll see the LEDs light up, and you're going to connect to it via Wi-Fi. So it may not show up for a little bit just because it has to initialize. Kind of going back and forth to refresh it. But there it is right there, the jet ion underscore and a bunch of random characters. So you click on that. The password to connect to it is in the manual. It should be 123456789. And once you're in, you're connected. You're going to want to download an app called HD Wi-Fi. You can search that in the App Store or the Android Store, and it should be no problem to find. And from there, you can see that we have a shot of what the endoscope sees. So it's looking at the shelves across the garage from me. What I'm going to do is go ahead and pop the hood of my car and give you a real-life example of what you might want to use this thing for. Okay, so as you can see, I have the endoscope set up, running on the phone. And what I'm going to do is go ahead and stick it into the oil filler area on my GS300, my Lexus. So you can see that normally through the oil filler cap, you can't see down and see the condition of the camshafts because there's a little baffle in there. But with this, you can slip it through and you can see the condition of the camshafts very well. And if you angle it correctly, you can probably slip it through all the way. And now you can really see what's going on in there. So this is just one example of many of different ways you can use this. You could also say, if you had a leak in the back side of the engine, stick it down back behind the engine to see what's going on if you suspect that something's leaking back there, like an oil seal. So, as I said, a lot of different applications in a car. You can also stick it up underneath your dashboard to see if something got lost back there or how something is set up, how, if you're trying to unclip a wiring harness connector or something like that, you can use it for that application as well. So, super useful product. Definitely something you want to have in your arsenal. And with that, I want to thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.